Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to show you a complete VAT billing software. If your business is Oman, Dubai, Saudi Arab or any Gulf countries, you're running any kind of business, so this is a suitable software for your business. In this software you can manage your inventory, your accounts, your sales, your purchase, profit and loss, each and everything. Let's start the software. I will show you the demo how it works. This is our software user login form. You can create multiple user accounts, you can create admin separate account, and each of your users you can give the limited permissions. So let's start the software. First of all, we can go to the administrative account. Here you can create your user logins. Like if you have any kind of multiple users, you want to use this software on your server network, so you can create the multiple users here. If you want to give the permissions, so you can just go to the user rights panel. Here you can give the permission to each of your users. Alright, after that we have a user passwords. You can set a password of each of your users. Okay, you can allot the passwords here. If you want to set the currency, you can come here, you can set the currency. For example, if you want to use this software in Oman, so you can set the currency of Omani Riyal. So now the default currency is Oman. Everything, every calculation, each and everything will be in Oman Riyal. Okay, so now let's start the add new item. Now for example, your business is for example a general items. Okay, I'm going to create a category here, general items. Now in this general items I'm creating a category of, for example, perfume. I'm creating a subcategory of grocery. Now in perfume I'm going to add one item here. You can see the barcode number, it will create automatically. Now I'm going to add one item, oud perfume 100 ml. Okay, now here I can put the description of item. If you want to set the brand, you can create the brand here. You can add multiple brands from here. Now if you want to set the purchase price, for example 12 Omani Riyal is the purchasing and 15 Riyal is the selling price. You can set the measurement unit. For example, it's in pieces, it's in carton, it's in set, it's in box, whatever is, you can set the measurement. And here you can set the reorder quantity. For example, if your order is going to be finished, so automatically software will alert you that you have to just reorder your stock. So I'm going to save this item. You can see this item is created in my list. So you can create the multiple items here. And if you want to print the barcode, so you can just click on the print barcode. Here you can see in the barcode your business name, your item and your prices. You can just print here how many copies you want. You want 1 copy, 2 copy, just print this, so this item will be printed. After that I have a purchase account. Before adding, I will go to the vendor supplier account. I can create my vendor. From there I'm going to purchase. You can create the multiple vendor accounts here. Okay, now I'm going to simply going in the purchase. I have here the purchase sales tax. I'm going to the purchase sales tax. Here I'm creating the vendor. For example, this is my vendor account, Gulf Trading Corporation, vendor invoice number. And here I can just put the item code. For example, I have this item, so I'm just copy this code and I'm going to put here, scan the code, so this item will appear automatically. Here I'm going to set the quantity. For them I'm purchasing 40 pieces, 12 each piece, total will be 480. If I have like 5% VAT, so it will be 504 including VAT. So the total amount is 504. And if you are like purchasing, you have a multiple locations like warehouse, go down, so you can set your locations here. Now for example, if I'm paying 300 Riyal to the vendor and 204 will be balance. So I'm going to print this now. This is how it looks like. It will in your company name here, your VAT number, your address, each and everything will put appears here. Now this is the date of purchase, invoice number, purchase, each and everything will be appeared there. You can see that. If you want to print this, you can print, you can PDF, you have multiple options here. Now another option I have, like we can go to the sales account, sales bill. I'm going to create the sales. Now I have a multiple customer. If you want to add the new customer, you can create your new customer. And the best thing is you can create the customer in Arabic, English. This software supported both language, English and Arabic both. So I'm going to go to the sales bill. Now I'm going to select the customer, Ali Trading LLC. Here you can see the address, VAT number, everything appears automatically. Now here I will select perfume and I'm going to sell 3 pieces. In the 15 real is the total amount. I will just put the 5% VAT, including VAT. This is the amount, and now I'm going to print this. I'm going to print this. You can see this invoices appears like this, beautiful invoice. Here you can see the seller information, buyer information, item description, item price, VAT amount, VAT, each and everything you can see here. This is the beautiful invoice. You can just print out from here. If you want to convert to the PDF, you can convert to the PDF. This is sales invoice. Now I'm going to reports. I have multiple reports like inventory balances. Now you can see I have oud perfume. I just purchased 40 pieces. I sell 3 quantity, and now the remaining is 37 in hand. If I double click this, it will come to the inventory ledger. Now it's showing me that total quantity was 40. Now I just sell 3 and the balance is 37. And it's showing me the date, the party name, each and everything. If I want to print this, I can print this as well. So this is your inventory balances. If I want to check category wise inventory, like only the general items, so it will appear only the general item. If I will categorize more, like perfume, like grocery, so it will deeply categorize the things. Now here I can see the purchase bills, like total how many purchases I have done. I want to see the period wise purchases. I want to see the vendor wise purchases. Each and everything you will get here. I have sales reports, multiple sales report. If I want to go to sales register, here you can see the total sale amount. If I want to see only today's sales, so it will just show me today's sale that I have sold 3 perfumes. Now if I want to check the date wise, from the 1st to 30, from the 1st to 15. If you want to see the customer wise, you can see the customer wise. If you want to see the cash and credit sales, you can see the cash and credit sales. So each and everything you will find out here. Right now, after that we have item wise profit and loss report. If you want to see the profit and loss, how much you have earned today, so it is showing me that 3 quantity I have just sale now, and I just earned 9 real total in amount. So you can check the profit and loss daily basis, monthly, weekly, whatever you want. You can just filter it out. We have accounts ledger. If you want to check the accounts ledger for your vendor, for your customer, so each and everything you will get that I have to receive payment from my customer. If you want to see the vendor balances, you can receive the vendor balances. So multiple ledgers you will get here. We have multiple report like cash and bank balances, customer balances. We have report like vendor balances, total receivables, payables, income statement, balance sheet, and also you can manage your expenses like daily expense book. You can manage here. So this is complete accounting inventory management system with complete Arabic and English supported. If you want to buy our software, if you want the more details about our software, in the description you will find out the number. You can contact us on WhatsApp, you can call us directly. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.